These are the 6 gangs operating in Norwood, St. James.
More disturbingly, there are 6 gangs known to be operating within that very small space. And those gangs, though they are based in that area, operate all over St. James.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Residents of Norwood are disputing that 6 gangs are operating in the violence play community. One resident was quoted by the Gleaner saying, "This is where I have lived all my life, and I know about 2 gangs, Ogre Lane Gang and Church Lane Gang." So I was surprised when I heard the commissioner talking about 6 gangs.
There are other murders and shootings that take place outside of the designated area that are caused by the gangs that operate, the 6 gangs that operate in the Norwood area.
It is important that the police know how many gangs are here so they know who to target. You can't start off with misinformation, said the resident. However, a quick informal research has revealed that some 6 gangs are actually operating in said community. These are the Jamal Gang, otherwise called the Fully Duns Gang, which is based in the Gulf area of Norwood. The Hilltop Gang, based in the Texas area of Norwood. The Ogre Lane Gang, based in Ogre Lane, Norwood. The Church Lane Gang, based in the Church Lane area of Norwood. The 1452 Gang, based in the Kenya View area of Norwood. And the 5150 Gang, which is based in the Gulf and Glendevon areas.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!